So how we can generate this type of images with Stable Diffusion? Let's go to Pinterest.com. Search for human face black and white line art. Here we can find lots of line art like this. Let's go to Automatic 1111. I am using this model today. Let's enable Control Net. From the Control Net model, I am choosing QR Code Monster. You can download this model from here. Download these two files. Then move them into the Control Net model folder. Select Control Net is more important. Set control weight to 2. Now let's choose a line art. Drag and drop this image into Control Net. I am using these textual inversions into negative prompt. I am writing these words in prompt: landscape, mountain, waterfall, river, sky. Now let's generate. You can see the similarity. Let's try other images. So this is how we can generate AI art from face. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.